Hello everyone, I am Vrinda Gaur, and in today's video, I'll be talking about the top 5 AI skills that will make you irreplaceable in 2026. So let's go ahead with this video. The first skill is prompt engineering. This, in simple words, is a skill of giving AI clear and structured instructions so that it produces useful output instead of giving broad and generic answers. In today's world, we often use AI for thinking, analyzing, writing, and planning. But here's the catch. AI is only as good as the instructions you give it. So if your prompt is vague, the answer would also be vague. But if the prompt is clear and specific, then you will probably get much better results. So this is the reason why prompt engineering is becoming such an important skill and is grabbing the world like anything. Instead of asking AI what to do, this skill focuses on telling it the context it needs, how the output should be framed, and what constraints it must follow. The second skill is AI powered content creation. Now, this is the skill of using AI to generate, optimize, and deliver content that supports real business decision making. So, today, AI powered content creation is not only about asking ChatGPT to write an essay. In fact, it's more about using AI tools to save time and solve real business problems. For example, customer support. AI can help write natural and human like replies to customer queries, which will make support faster and even more efficient. Second is marketing. AI can create social media posts, ad copy, email campaigns, and even landing page within minutes. So, in short, those people who know how to use AI, they will have a huge advantage with them in coming years down the line. And AI in any way is not replacing creativity. In fact, it's helping people to work smarter and produce more in less time. The third skill is AI data analysis and insights. This is particularly my favorite. So, it is a skill in which we use AI to explore the data, spot patterns, and generate conclusions without even manually crunching numbers. So, suppose you are a marketing analyst who is looking at a customer purchase data for the past year. Now, traditionally, you would spend n number of hours creating pivot tables, charts, and summaries. But with the help of AI, you can simply ask which segment of the customer spent the most last quarter and what products did they prefer. AI quickly scans the data, identifies trends, highlights outliers, and even suggests which campaigns contributed to sales the most. You can then use these insights to make informed decisions like adjusting promotion, targeting specific audiences, and even forecasting demand without getting lost in spreadsheets. The fourth skill is no code AI automation. Now, the best part of this skill is that you don't need to be a programmer to automate work anymore. This skill uses AI tools to create a workflow that handles repetitive tasks without even writing a single line of code. Imagine you are managing a project. Now, every week, you have to compile spreadsheets, prepare reports, and even send status emails. Now, doing all of this manually takes a lot of hours. So, you can, in fact, use AI to create a workflow that will do the same job for you. It will automatically collect the data from different sources, update your dashboards in real time, and even send reminders or notifications to the right set of people. So instead of spending your time on repetitive work, you can in fact focus on solving bigger problems and make more better decisions. The last skill is AI tool integration. Now, this is the ability to connect different AI tools so that they work together as one seamless system. Let's take an example of an e commerce company. Suppose a customer asks the chatbot, "Is this product available?" Now, instead of giving a more generic reply, this chatbot checks the inventory system in real time, predicts the delivery date, and if for some reason the product is not available, this chatbot also recommends similar alternatives. All of this happens automatically because different AI tools are connected and sharing information with each other. So, businesses are looking for people who can create such smart and connected workflows and not just one AI tool at a time.